My mom really enjoys traveling and seeing the world, and Russia was definitely someplace that she was scared of when we started going there.
This is built by who?
Catherine the Great. She built that, and they're thinking about turning it into like a luxury hotel.
I can't even see.
Isn't it nice how it has a thing on the back?
It looks really good with the dark circles under my eyes.
Well, look at my dark circles, aren't they nice?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I think she's grown very fond of Russia, especially Moscow. In Russia, Tara is overly dramatic. She's very much an attention whore.
I don't know what it is.
But it's part of what makes her good at her job. Since even before you were my agentress, we were discussing what it would be like to go to Moscow with me.
It's true. And before I was your agentress, I spoke Russian and wore frilly things with fur.
Russia. It's motherland. She do wonderful here.
It's important to have a whole team there and to have somebody to take care of everything when all I have to do is focus on skating. You were snoring like a man. Diane called you T-Rex.
Was I drooling when I was sleeping?
A bit. Nope.
Now you pissed him off.
That's disgusting.